And this is with the phone. Look how beautiful it looks covered up in the phone. All right, today we're going to bring an iPhone 12 Pro case, and we're going to take a look at it, and we're going to install it also too. But just to let you guys know, this is a beautiful case. If you guys can see it, it's a little, tinted, but it has a kick, man. I'm going to show you some of the features right now. So first of all, before you install the actual iPhone, you need to actually wipe it out with alcohol wipes, and then they give you a cleaning cloth. All right. So as you can see, it's all plastic, but then the reason that it's a little tinted is because it's a privacy screen. All right, so when you're watching something, they can't see it from the side. If you guys notice, look at how black it goes, and it's a see-through. If you guys can see that, black, and it goes through. So if somebody's on the side of it, they're not going to be able to see what you're looking at. It keeps it private too. Now the best thing about it, how to install it, it's very simple. You basically it's just magnets. That's pretty much what it is. It's also surrounded by magnets in two different ways. Plenty of room for your actual camera and as your connections and everything. And it just before you actually install, you have to remove any kind of glass features that you have on your other iPhone. So it might not be compatible if you have a glass cover. This actually reacts as a glass cover and a protector. So if you guys can see it, just magnetized by itself, and we're good. We're good to go. You could drop it a couple times, nothing happens. Everything's well secure in here. So I like the fact that how simple it is, the simplicity of this. If you guys can see it, this is the best part, the glass. So if you guys can see it sideways, you're not able to. It's a privacy glass. It's really good. So 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.